Hello, class. Welcome once again to ftpclasses.com. Today we are looking at computers classification. Okay, so we do remember, the previous lessons that we've taken. We've talked about a lot under introduction to computer system, right? So we were able to define what a computer is, and then we looked at some of the functions of computer. We came to know that there are two components of computers: hardware and software. And we tackle with the hardware. We're able to define what a hardware is, and then we looked at the input and output devices with some examples of picture examples, and then we open the system unit to talk about what exactly in the system unit. And then I promised you that we will be looking at how to check on computer specs before you consider to buy. Okay, so we talk about the software, also the software aspect too, and then we are done with the component of computer, which is the hardware and the software. We've talked about that. So today we are going to look at classifications of computer. Okay, computers classification. And I will always encourage you, remember you, not to forget to donate to support us on 0245 21 52 66, 0278887080, and you can also use the platform to do your donation by clicking on the numbers there and follow the procedures, or you can go to donation and then just click on it, donate to support, and that's it. And if you have a problem or any question, you can send us, or if you want to sponsor us, you can send us mail through FTP, free top up gh@gmail.com, and we will receive it. Okay, so let's, without wasting much time, let's go to today's lesson. Today we are talking about computers classification, and I've promised you that we are going to I will take you through how to check specification, computer spec, before you buy it. Okay, all right, so let's see. And all these notes, you will get it on our platform. Just pay only 10 Ghana and download it, just to show appreciation, like I always say. All right, so we say that computers can be generally classified by size and power as follows. Okay, size and power. Okay, so we have personal computer, we have workstation, we have mini computer, we have mainframe, we have supercomputer. Okay, so what is a personal computer? When we talk of personal computer, I know something has come to your mind, right? Okay, oh sorry. So let's look at the definition of personal computer. It's a small single user computer based on a microprocessor. In addition to the microprocessor, a personal computer has a keyboard for entering data, a monitor for displaying information, and a storage device for saving data. Okay, so achinie bia ni ho se nia opposite tray and it's a personal computer no a bit me and laptop and yes okay, all right, so it's a personal. Okay, it has a keyboard and it has a display unit which is the monitor and a storage device as well. Okay, so I want us to brush through all these things so that we can move to our practical lessons. Okay, remember that the whole entire course is practical, all right, but we are we are we are we are doing this theory to do the introduction to computer for you to understand what a computer is and what to do. Okay, what a computer does, all right. So that is why we've taken you through this theory for a couple of weeks, okay, a couple of days, all right. So let's brush through so that we can go to our main you know our main program, that is the practical aspects. All right, so we have the mini computer. You can get the notes, just get the notes and read through. If you're a student, pay 10 Ghana cedis and read through and you will pass your exams. Okay, but our main focus is the practical aspect. So you know let's make that true. Right, so we have tablet computers. When you get the note, you just read through and then that's the best. Okay, so how computer works, like we said previously, that there's a data you input into the data. Sorry, you input sorry you input data into the computer and then the computer process it with the CPU, the memory, and whole lots, and then it gives you output, which is the information. All right, so this is a diagram for it. You can get it, just download it and let's move on. All right, so we say characteristics of computer. Computer will be classified based on the speed, the accuracy, the diligence, the storage, okay, versatility. If your computer speed is very is very low, you face a lot of slow to your PC if you are working with it. Okay, it should be accuracy, okay, the accurate, giving you accurate results. You get it? So a computer provides a high degree of accuracy. For example, the computer can accurately give the results of division of any two numbers by up to 10 decimal places. All right, so diligence, you should be able to the capacity for storage should be high. Okay, so yeah, so we are done with it, with theory aspect, and then today we are moving into the practicals. Okay, so for the practical we have only 30 minutes to end. All right, the reason why we are giving short time is for you to enjoy the class. If you make the time too much, when you're watching or when you're following, you'll feel so lazy, boring. Okay, so we should bring it down. So let's assume 20 to 30 minutes should be okay for the practical. Okay, so we are done and we are going to hit on the road. Okay, all right, so before then, um let's see something here. Say thank you. This is done by Otisa J Owusu, and then don't forget to do your donation. So we are done. You can get this note by paying only 10 Ghana cedis, like I always say, and do not forget to keep you know keep donating. Okay, something from your heart. Just sit down and plan it. every day. This is the amount you want to donate, from 5 CDs to the infinity. You can also plan to do it weekly. You can do it 2 weeks time. You can do it monthly. Anything from your heart, okay? Because we are here for you. Okay, so let's hit here. Supposing you just buy your PC, okay? When you own it, this is what you see. When you own your PC, this is what you see, okay? Maybe you might not see my icons in there, my shortcuts and my icons on your PC, but your own will be different. But every PC will look like this: your desktop, your laptop, everything. Okay, so let's see. These are icons. All right, let's look at the icons. These are the icons. The icons are, the ones with the picture. Okay, with a picture. The picture makes the icon. Okay, it represents. Okay, the icon represents, the kind of a application software that you have installed on your PC. Okay, so this is a picture, a small picture that represents it. Okay, so this is a small WhatsApp picture uh, representing what I've installed on. So I have WhatsApp on my PC, on my desktop. It's a free Camp 8, ES setup. Okay, I have video Skype, with a picture. But you see, I have some with no pictures. Okay, so those with no pictures, they are not icons. It could be file. Okay, so let's typical example is this one, Microsoft Office, 2019. This is a file. Okay, so the difference between a file and, what do you call it, a file and icon, is that the icon is a small picture that represents what we've installed on our PC. So you see, we have RNFX MetaTrader 4. I think I have 5 or whole lot of versions on my laptop. Okay, so we're not talking about trading online. Maybe we might we may consider that one as another full broad course, trading online to just make a little bit money. Okay, so we have Telegram. You can see their icon, the small picture there. So those with no small pictures are files. Okay, and these ones, they are not icons because they are videos. Okay, this one is a video, this one too is a video, all right. And normally, when you do installation on your PC, it creates shortcuts, and normally the shortcut brings the icon. Okay, all the shortcuts will give you the icons. All right, or bring the the icons. So I have my recycle bin. Here is what any whatever I delete. I know you know already. So no, we won't talk about recycle bin, but I'll talk about recycle bin when you want to delete some files from your secretary that you don't want your secretary or your boss to look at. When you finish the downloads, you have to open the recycle bin and then delete everything that from that place. Okay, so when you open the recycle bin, okay, then you highlight all by pressing Control A to highlight everything. Then you just do delete. You right click and you delete, so that it will be empty for you. More at times, if PC, if the memory, your memory your storage capacity is showing red, sometimes you might think that you've downloaded something from your PC to create space, but you realize that what you've deleted, you've deleted now, it's still occupying the space in the recycle bin. So you need to empty it so that you get a full, what do we call it? A full um space. Okay? So if you want to make space on your PC, after deleting what you want to delete on your PC, go to the recycle bin and delete it from there so that you get the space. Okay? But if you don't, it's like you've deleted but it still is there. Okay? Alright, so that's it. So today we are just looking after installation of Windows, or when you open your, that's what you see. This is not an icon, even though it has a picture on it. It's a picture. This is a picture. It's not an icon, but anything creating of the shortcut to represent the software, the application software, is an icon. So when you come here, you just click on your start menu. Okay, on your start menu you can see a lot of what you've done for the installation. You see we have files, we have icons. Okay, so let's go here. See everything that you have on your PC. If you install, you can find it here. So supposing you want to you install something, okay, an app, and you've forgotten the name of the app, but the app too didn't create what you call it, a shortcut on your desktop. All what you got to do is just come here and type search for the name of the app that you install. So supposing you install let's say ES Z, the ES has come. So everything with the ES will come. Then you just click on it and ES will open. Okay, ES will open and you start using it. Okay, maybe you want to do Chrome too. Let me do Chrome. Let me try Chrome too, and let's see Chrome. Google Chrome. See, you have it there. You click on it. Sake of security purpose, I don't need to display my Chrome here. Yes, okay. So you just do it that way, and everything will open for you. Okay, I'm sorry to open this file. Oh God, thank you. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's it. What do we have to look at again? Okay, so now we know this. One thing that we need to talk about is how to arrange your files and folders. Okay, your files and folders, and how to arrange them. Okay. The problem that I have seen a lot of people on their desktop is that they don't I don't know whether they don't take notice of that, but I think maybe they might be facing challenges. That is why you are here. Okay, so take this lesson very serious. Okay, ebi no pieces so a ohun say working no bebre na wo work bebre fiti ha kopimetri bebre enti o de ma me nkyerɛ o sɛnea omo system timi like example ma me set example nkyerɛ. Okay, so let me control C. Let me copy all these things here, and then omo pieces. So this is how it looks like. Oh, duplication. Sorry, I can't do it that way. But okay, desktop so say will be a whole lot. Okay, a whole lot, a whole lot. Okay, let me do it. Let me do it. Sake of let me do it and see how some people desktop looks like. You look at it very soon. Okay. All right. So let me pause it so that we take time for it to load. Okay. Okay. So you see, there's an increment of files. I've added more files and everything on my desktop. This is how some people desktops looks like, and it's very very funny. Okay, this one put here and also, and then you find that from here to the end, oh fast, plenty files on the desktop. Is not the professional way. Okay, for instance, if you are looking for something, a file, you're going to be very difficult to find it unless you go through and then remember that the PC to the more times you put pressure on your eye, it affects you. Okay, so supposing you want to select you want to you have fast file. Oh, I want a PDF file. You have Word on it, you have Excel plenty, you know you have a PDF too, and you are looking for a particular PDF. And look at the stress that you're going to stress your eyes to be able to identify that PDF file. Okay, or maybe the same files, all are wet file, and then all are wet files, but there are different categories. It may be sales, maybe you are a designer, maybe you have maybe a bank that you are doing designs for them, maybe Stambake, maybe you have this is how you have to do. Okay, just take your time. Right click here on your, what do you call it, on your desktop. Okay, do I have to? Okay, let me take it through. Okay, now we are going to arrange our files in folders. Okay, so these are files. Okay, these are files and these are folders. Okay, the one with the yellow as if is what you call it, it's a file. Okay, you put, these are all folders. So let's do the arrangement. Okay, let's do the arrangement. So supposing you are working on maybe payment. Okay, payment, you right click on your desktop and you can see view shots by. Don't stress yourself to read all these things. Just come to new, click on the new, click on it and go to folder. Okay, so the folder, you click on it. Now when it comes with new folder. Okay, being highlighted inside. Okay, so what you do is that when you click outside. Okay, let's click outside and see. When you click outside, it will be, when you click outside, it will be new folder. That one you can't name it. Okay, so supposing we did it, we've done it that way. Supposing we've done it that way, and we need to rename it so that we group files according to folders. We arrange them like you have maybe you have um, you have a place where you are putting your files in, how you arrange it, the same files at the same place, so that it won't be difficult for you to find it. Okay, so supposing you came supposing you go here and then you make new folder, and that's it. Say that we have, you see, we have new folder, and this is new folder too, because they all have the name new folder. So what we have to do is that let's change the name. By changing the name, you can just click on it small. Okay, you can click on it twice, but not double clicking. If you do double clicking, it will open. Okay, it will open. Don't double click it, just click it 1 2. Okay, 1 2, and it will do this for you. It will allow you to change the name. You can also right click it, come all the way to rename, and click on the rename. But if you want to save time, just click it twice, 1 2. Okay, don't double click it. If you double click it, it will open. Like, double clicking, it means that you click twice at a time. So pop 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 pop. Sorry, you see, pop pop pop. No, just click 1 2. Okay, 1 2. Okay, so 1 2. Then it will highlight for you to change the name. Okay, all right. So let's change the name. I right click and I come to rename. All right. So supposing, for instance, I'm working on Word. I have Word on it. I have Excel files on it, and I have PDF on it. Maybe your own will be salary. Okay, you know how to group. Maybe maybe July salary. So you make it July salary. Maybe August salary. You can make it August 2021. Okay, yes, add the year so that I won't confuse you. This I will do 2021. We do 2022. We read 2020 there. 2021, yeah. July. You will see. So you just place, the year there. 2021. So that immediately you open your desktop, okay, these are the files for July 2021. People that I pay them. Okay, all right. Okay, maybe you are not working on salary, but maybe you have, you are a designer, so you do the works that you want to, any kind of name. For instance, my own, I'm working on PDF, and I'm working on Word files, and I'm working on Excel. So this is what I'm going to do. I say PDF files, whatever you want to name your folder. PDF files, meaning that all PDF that I want, I will go here. Okay, maybe the PDFs might, okay, let's take it that way. We are taking it one by one after the other. Let me see the time. Okay, more time. I come here, I say Word files, and then I'll come here and then okay, I do new again, go to folder, and then I'll name it Excel file, like whatever you want to do it. Okay, then what do I have again? I have access to. I have access. Okay. All right. So I have access. Where is my new? My new is here. I have access file to. Access file. And then I have also notepad files. What do I have again? Okay, so I have shortcuts. What is on your desktop? Okay, don't follow mine. Just name your own. Okay, I have what do you call it? I have shortcuts, so I'll do it shortcuts. Okay, all right. So this is what I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different files on what do you call it, items on my PC. Okay, so I'm going to arrange them based on the folder names. Okay, maybe your own will be different. Okay, it is a no so wotua katua wode no nye different nti ebia July akatua 2021, July May 2021, saa create folder. Okay, so your design and so on. If you are working anywhere and you want to it's like I can't say who arrange your books baby ɛho hia wa ombre. Okay, so let's end it here. We are going to continue the next class. We are going to see how to put all the files, the types of folders that we've created. How it works. Okay, so we are ending the class today. We are ending today's lesson, so let's talk about it next time we meet. Okay, so have a nice day, and do not forget to download to donate. Okay, the donation is what is helping us. Okay, so that we will give you more breakdown to your understanding. Remember, yeah, we will be we will go to Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, but these are all the introduction to computer. Okay, so we are doing the practical aspect. Okay, so tell a friend, or your friend to tell a friend, and a sister, and a mother, and your junior brother or junior sister in SHS, JHS, basic which is class 5 and 6, that we offer them core mathematics and help them solve past questions together with the core mathematics, and that's it. And please do not forget to download, and please do not forget to donate, and also pay only 10 Ghana cedis to download. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye.